Hello guys, and welcome to another video. This one's really interesting because when I bought it, I had no idea what it was. I bought this tree in, I think, November sort of time, and it had no leaves on it. I just had a slight idea from a few dried leaves that were left on the tree or around the tree. I paid the grand total of £20 for this tree, and I was drawn in by the root base and the natural nabari that was screaming out to me, and I thought I would take a gamble. That gamble paid off, I think. Stick around to the end of the video to find out exactly what type of tree I think this is. So there we are. I've just removed this big old circling root, but yeah, I'm happy. In the coming years we'll reduce this stump down further, but it does have some feeder roots attached. So yeah, I found a big training pot for this, so we're just going to use this just so I can, you know, let it recover, because this is its first real surgery as a training, you know, as nursery stock material. So it's kind of hard, sometimes it's disheartening to uncover nice roots and work on a tree and then bury it back up again. But these aren't ready to take on the strength of the entire tree. So yeah, it does mean burying them again, but only so that they can create more roots, healthier roots, denser, more fibrous roots all around this area and around the back where we have less. Let's get it potted up now. Guys, end of spring sort of time now, and yeah, it's definitely a hornbeam, but not your regular kind. This hornbeam is actually Carpinus betulus fastigiata, something like that, also known as an upright hornbeam. And as you can tell, it's kind of just got this kind of golden, strange color. It's really cool. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this develops. It'll run free this year, completely run free. It'll look like a crazy bush by the autumn time, and then I'll bring you guys with me to do a nice cut back on it. Yeah, we got back budding galore. The stormtrooper is taking cover here. It almost reminds me of a sweet chestnut leaf, but you know, when they're still quite small. Yeah, really interesting tree. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Looks like maybe this one died. That's okay. Plenty to work with there. Wherever you are in the world, make sure you take care of yourself. See you in the next one. Let this be a reminder, always check out the clearance section in the garden centres. 20 quid. Alright, see you guys later.
If you enjoy the videos and you'd like to support the channel, please consider following the links in the description. Here you'll find links to the Amazon wishlist. This is the best way to help the channel. Alternatively, you can buy these t-shirts. Please email or DM me to find out how you can get those. Lastly, the easiest way to help support the channel is drop a like on this video and please press the subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. Thank you so much.